We're gonna talk about the clausal connective go. This will be very simple. We're just connecting the first clause by using go, and second clause comes after. Okay, so let's take a look at example. So the sentence will be, my older sister and my older brother lives in LA and I live in New York. So older sister, 언니 하고 오빠, older brother 는 topic. So as for older sister and older brother, and again 하고, you can use 하고 or you can use 라 or you can use 와, right? It depends on whichever formality you want, but we're gonna speak in polite form. 언니하고 오빠는 LA에, I'll just write LA. LA에 살다 is to live, and all we need is stem. So 살 and connect with go, which means end. So 살고, I live in, 저는 뉴욕에 살아요. 언니하고 오빠는, as for older sister and older brother, lives in LA, LA에 살고, again, all you need is stem of the verb, which is 살다, 살, connect with go. 저는, as for me, 뉴욕에 살아요, live in New York. Let's do one more sentence. My apartment is quiet and close to school. So my apartment, 제 apartment, 아파트는, as for my apartment, is quiet. 조용하다 is to be quiet. All we need is a stem, 조용하, and connect with go. 조용하고 and close to school. 학교에서 and then we learn to be close, right? 가깝다, 가까워요. 제 아파트는, as for my apartment, is quiet. 조용하고 is end. So using the stem of 조용하다 to be quiet, and close to school. 학교에서 가까워요. Alright. Okay, so continue from last time. We finished verb irregular, modifying the verb, but this time we're gonna do adjective which the stem ends in real final consonant. So for instance, the verb like to be sweet, 달다. The conjugation, what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop the real 받침, the final consonant, and keep 다. And then all you need is 니은. So for instance, sweet fruit. Then it will be 단, 과일. So let's try the sentence. I don't eat sweet food. So as for me, 저는 sweet food, 단 음식을 I don't eat. So we need an and eat, 먹어요. 저는 단 음식을 안 먹어요. As for me, 저는 단 음식을 sweet food 안 not 먹어요. Eat. Next example. Let's do to be long. 길다. Same thing, drop the leer and you're left with 기 and then add 니은. 긴 기차. Long train. So example sentence. I like long hair. I'm just gonna start with 긴. 긴 머리를 좋아해요. 긴 머리를 좋아해요. Long hair, I like, 좋아해요. Okay, next. 있다, 없다. So example, 재미있다. To be fun, to be interesting. Using the stem 재미있다. 재미있. And just add 는 after. 재미있는 드라마. Interesting or fun drama. Okay, so the sentence. There are a lot of fun teachers at our school. 우리 학교에 재미있는 선생님이 많아요. 우리 학교에 at our school 재미있는 선생님이 fun, interesting teachers 많아요. A lot, many. And let's do 없다. Like 맛 없다. To be tasteless. Same thing, use the stem 맛없. 맛없. And then all you need is 는 after. 맛없는 tasteless food. 음식. 맛없는 음식. There was a lot of tasteless food at that restaurant over there. So that restaurant over there, 저 식당에 맛없는 음식이 많았어요. Past tense of 많다. 많았어요. Okay. So now we should do particle do. Okay, so particle do, it means also or to. Okay, very simple sentence. So, first sentence, I'm a student. The second sentence, I too am a student. 저는 학생이에요. I am a student. I too am a student. You don't need topic particle anymore. You're going to replace the topic and then just use do after. 저도 I too 학생이에요. Okay, another simple sentence. This time we're gonna use subject particle. 5 o'clock is good. 7 o'clock is also good. So 5 o'clock is good, so we're gonna use subject particle, right? So 5시가 좋아요. 7 o'clock is also good. So here what we're gonna do is replace the subject particle. Okay? 7시도 좋아요. Alright. Now we're gonna do object particle. I like vegetables. I also like fruit. 야채를 좋아해요. I also like fruit. 과일. Here also going to replace the object particle. So 과일도 좋아해요. Okay. This time we're gonna use location particle. I will go to Korea. I will also go to Japan. 한국에 갈 거예요. 갈 거예요. I will also go to Japan. This time we don't replace. We're going to add right after 에. So what you're gonna do is 일본에 and then just attach 도 right after. 일본에도 갈 거예요. Okay, next one is time particle. I will go in January. I will also go in March. This one also we're gonna add do right after the time particle. 1월에 갈 거예요. (3월에도) 갈 거예요. And then last one is dynamic event activity particle. And this one also you're going to add do right after the dynamic particle. I work at the airport. I also work at the store. 공항에서 일해요. I also work at the store. 가게에서도 일해요. So you attach do right after 에서 dynamic particle. So pretty much you're going to replace the topic particle, subject particle, and object particle with do. And then you're just going to add do right after the location particle, time particle, and then dynamic particle. Okay, so let's add some action verb. To know, 알다. And the basic is 알아. An example sentence. I know the time of the class. 수업, class, time, 시간. An action verb, most time we use the object. So 수업 시간을 알아요. Next action, to not know, 모르다. Basic, this one is irregular 르, so the conjugation is a little different. So all you need is add 리을 on the first syllable, which is 모, and then 리을 받침, and then add 라. 몰라. This is a 르 irregular verb. 몰라, 몰라요. To not know. I don't know that person. That person, 그 사람, object particle, 그 사람을 몰라요. To make a phone call, 전화하다. Easy verb because it's a 하다 verb, so basic. 전화해. So first sentence, I will call you tomorrow. Tomorrow, 내일, does not need time particle. Will call you, 전화하, and then dear, and then 거예요. Future tense, 전화할 거예요. 내일 전화할 거예요. I will call you tomorrow. You is implied, by the way. In Korean, we say receive a phone call, okay? We don't use to answer verb. We actually use to receive when you answer the phone, okay? So, I answered the phone. 전화를, and then you're going to receive, answered. 받다, past tense, 받았어요. 상식, 받았어요. So literally, I receive a phone call, but it means I answered the phone call. And then if you ever want to say a phone call came, then that would be 오다 verb, right? 오다 and 가다 would be subject. 전화가 subject particle. Came, 왔어요. A phone call came. 전화가 왔어요. That's it. Have fun. I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Lots of material. Study, study, study. Okay. 안녕.